Hi, I hope you're quite well, and I'm back after 24 days. Here is 1000 plus HD overlays and action for Photoshop properties. Here is 1015 file in 25 folder, 2.38 GB, but don't worry, I will compressed. And these are password protected, password initial. By now for lifetime, iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here is my Facebook page. Join me on Facebook and last Telegram channel for notification of any video. So subscribe this. Okay, here is 21 different categories. Amazing. I know you can use in Photoshop or you use better now. For bad photocopy, heart, here is 54 files, I mean 52. Here is action and one user PDF. Film light sleek, here is 92 files. Film burns, lens effect, and here is Christmas. Okay, film lights, Heart-Bokeh, and here is natural. Amazing. I think I have already uploaded this folder. Snow and dust, and again here is underwater Photoshop effect. Open in Photoshop, and now we need a background photo. Select anyone. Like this one, we are okay. (2000) resolution. Drag there. Oh, sorry. Here is 25. Undo and set resolution 3000. Then drag here. Okay, and now click here. Click on screen, color, lighting, overlay, soft mode, and press Ctrl U. That means you can make more better. Amazing. Flexing. Optical flares effect. So download this app for password or password in this app. Take care. Allah Hafiz.